Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get full refund on Uber Eats. So this is going to be refunding the entire order and it's going to be the same process whether you are on mobile device or on Android or iPhone. Or maybe you are on a website like mine. So what you have to do is when you are here, you have to tap on these three bars in the top left corner here and then just simply tap on this help here. You can also click on orders and then go to help that way. But once you are in the order section, click on the order you want to refund. So go ahead and click on this one right here like I have. Then you want to click on help with an order, past order, that section here, and then you want to click on food damage or quality issue. That's the section you are going to be, and it's going to give you two different options here. It's going to ask you if you want to refund your entire order. You want to click on the entire order, go ahead and tick that box and click on next. Then it's going to have a few different options pop up. Yet again, same thing, all these sections are going to be different options you can click on. For me personally, it depends on what your issue, but for me it was food temperature, it came cold, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. After that, click on this next, and then it should come up with a section where it says thank you for contacting us, and then you might have to wait potentially 5 minutes or 24 hours depending on how quickly they get back. But once they get back to you, should be after a while, you can click back on the help section, go back to the same place where it says support messages, and then you should be able to see, hopefully it's been resolved and they will refund your entire order. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.